Introducing the VenusGlow, the customizable dermal renewal system that will deliver both financial and aesthetic results.
The VenusGlow keeps patients coming back. After one treatment, their skin is brighter and more radiant.
The device is easy to use and customizable, allowing for tailored treatments that suit the patient's skin needs. VenusGlow works with one lightweight applicator that uses a trimodality dermal system consisting of an adjustable vacuum, 360-degree rotating tip, and 2 jet streams infusing specially formulated venous serums deep into the pores. The 3 modalities work together to open pores, remove impurities, and increase local microblood circulation and the spread of nutrients into the skin.
I felt like the suction was taking all the toxins out of my pores.
That came out of my face, and it was clear before this.
Venus serums are available in multiple unique formulations to address a wide range of skin conditions and allow for superior pore cleansing and facial renewal. The treatments deliver instant and noticeable results. The patient's skin feels noticeably healthier, cleaner, and more hydrated after each treatment. The VenusGlow can provide a great return on investment for your clinic. The treatment is a perfect standalone offering or as a complement to other aesthetic services.
After a treatment, my skin looks flawless. I look in the mirror and it looks like my pores have been erased. It almost looks like I'm glowing.